flamenco track. Beginning, move your hands, flamenco style, and circular. Flamenco style, and inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Look to the front, flamenco arms, you will use. Come on, knee up, cha-cha, march in place. Knee up, cha-cha, march in place. One more time, knee up, cha-cha, and march. One more time. Now, complete on march, knee up, cha-cha, and give me lunges, right and left. Knee up, cha-cha. Open the hips, 5, 6, 7, knee up. Open lunge. Knee up, cha-cha, and move your hips, 5, 6. Now go forward. Use the arms, flamenco arms, go back, and now move your fingers up and open. Forward. Flamenco arms, go back, move your fingers up and open. Now look, flamenco, and now you have to turn. Open, fingers move. Look, flamenco arms and turn. Fingers up, open. Look, come on. Turn. Fingers open. Last time for everybody. This is the first part. Turn. Open. Now lunge. Lunge goes back and slide. Lunge goes back, slide. March in place. Okay, again. Lunge goes back and slide. Remember the arms from the beginning. Look the hands and to the front. Hands and front. Hands look and front. March in place. Again, lunge. Look the hands. Look the hands. Are you ready from the top? Come on, forward. Look. Flamenco style. And now turn. Give me the fingers. Open. The second part. March in place. Ready? From the top. Come on. Flamenco arms and turn. Give me fingers. Open and lunge. Cross. Lunge. Cross and circular. Yes. Give me the second part again and complete. Lunge. Okay, only steps. Right steps. 1, 2, 3, and telephone. On hand. One more time. Lunge. Lunge. And 1, 2, 3, telephone. We are the more now. Complete the sequence. And 1, 2, 3. Telephone heel up and cross back. Hands on lunge. And now 1, 2, 3. Phone up and cross. From the top. Come on. Flamenco style. I love this song. Move your fingers. Up. Lunge. Now you have to move shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Phone. Ready to turn? Come on! Flamenco arms and turn. Fingers up. Move. Yes, lunge. Lunge. Move your shoulders. Telephone. Heel up and turn. Last time for everybody. Turn. Fingers up and open. Hands. Hands. And move your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, cross, final. Open the arms